In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Threadlocker to secure a nut and a bolt, or a bolt and a tapped hole. This applies to permanent and semi-permanent thread lockers. First step is you want to make sure your threads are completely free of any debris and grease or oil. You could use a normal degreaser or a carb cleaner. Anything will work as long as it's completely free of any residues. The same goes for your nut or your tapped hole. For this demonstration, I'm going to assemble the bolt through this piece right here and a few washers to make up space. First step is to get your thread locker and shake it up. Next step is to apply the thread locker to your threads. You could do this either after you've assembled it or before. I'm going to do it before just because I have to hold this while I tighten the nut. So the biggest mistake I see is people putting way too much thread locker on the threads. You only need a few drops for it to work. I know that my nut's only going to be on the very end, so I'm only going to apply 2 small beads right here, and then on the other side. Any more than this and you're just wasting thread locker, it'll bleed out the sides and make a mess. Next step, assemble your workpiece. So now I'm going to assemble my nut. Next step, torque down your bolt like you normally would. Once you have torqued your fastener to spec, you need to let the thread locker completely cure before putting it into service, or it won't actually function correctly. This is usually 24 hours to cure. I think Loctite's the exact same 24 hours. If you put this in before, then you risk the nut coming loose or your bolt coming out of the tapped hole. And that's all there is to properly using thread locker on a fastener. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.